I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic funky bow using the Bowdabra. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Now I've already pre-cut some lengths of ribbon, and what we're going to do is just fold the ribbon in half. And all I'm going to do here, I'm doing white and the gingham check together. And all I'm going to do is just lay this into my Bowdabra and keep going back and forth. And on that one, I have the black on top. So on this one, I'm going to put the white on top. So we're just going to go take this here, fold it in half, and just lay this down into my Bowdabra. And take this one, and I'm just going to fold it. Just lay that into my Bowdabra. So I have my tails, and I've already dovetailed the tails. So we're just going to take this here, and I'm just going to fold it in half. And I'm not really worried about how long. I just want the loops to be approximately the same size. So we'll take this one here, and we're going to fold this in half and just scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. And then I have this one last that I'm going to make a little loop with. And we're just going to fold it in half and scrunch that into the Bowdabra. Then I'll take my wand. I'm going to give everything a good little push. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. The reason I folded it in half is I have a slip knot. So we're just going to pull it through the slip knot, pull it out of the Bowdabra, separate the ends, bring them around to the back. And Nick, who does a lot of our Monday lives, or most of them, is also calls this a funky bow. So I sort of learned how to make this bow from Nick. And then I'm just going to take my wire and just kind of get it out of the way and just sort of bring that around my finger. That way it all just kind of stays out of the way, but I still have it. Then I'm just going to take all my loops, and we're going to shape it by pulling the loops in opposite directions. I'm going to bring all my tails going down here. And actually, I'll do this towards the camera so you can see. And I'm just going to kind of separate in different directions the white from the black. And this is the white is not wired, but the black ribbon is wired. So we're just going to kind of bring everything around, take my tails, bring those down. So you can see it comes together and makes a really delightful and kind of elegant bow. And again, I'm going to take my tails and bring those down. And so we'll just fluff that out. And you can see the finished project right here. And isn't that super simple? Now make sure you watch the next video in the series as I show you different bows that you can make with the Bowdabra. Thanks so much for watching.